So welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how you can promote your CPA offer via Twitter with a new method. Today I will promote iPhone 30 offer. I, you know that I am promoting iPhone 30 offer for a long time because Sweepstakes offer gets more leads more than other offers like weight loss and other website tricks. So at first we have to go on Google site, okay, because we need to make a landing page. And another thing is we have to visit Twitter TweetDeck, not twitter.com, TweetDeck. Okay, after searching for TweetDeck you will see this is the another version of Twitter. So you have to search at here on this search option. You can follow my mouse search option and you have to search for I need a okay need a iPhone. Okay, I have searched for this. You can see there are some, I have already opened it at a time. So here you can see there are some questions, or some people are posting about that they need a iPhone. So what a thing we have to do, that we have to click at this option, follow my mouse, then click on location and search for United States. Okay, or the offer is based on UK, so I will suggest United Kingdom. Now here on the radius option we have to click the 200 km. Okay, that's okay. Now we have to close it. You can see there is some low level of people are available at here on UK. So you have to choose a US offer, or you will not get many people. So I will choose United States, but here is also no people available. Back to iPhone. But at here you can see I need a iPhone. There are some extra post and this is loading again. I don't know why it is happening at again there. So you can see I need an iPhone. So people are searching for that they need iPhone 40 or another thing, or iPhone 30. So how we will use this type of people for our marketing. But what we have to do, that we have to go on Google site and we have to make an amazing landing page, because visit but they don't show the website is looking good. Like this is a website, you can see that I have made it some time ago. So I make this website. If I view it on preview, you can see this is the website is looking like you need to work more, but for a limited time you can make this type of website free. And I will show you another things also. Now click on blank. After clicking on blank, they will give you a window. So now we have to customize this window. At first we have to go on Google again and search for Apple logo. Okay, Apple logo. Now we have to visit the website, then download the image, because then we will get the high quality image. Now download it, save image as, or there is also a download option for downloading. So I will do that here again. Now come at here. Now add, you can see the untitled site. You have to cut it and search for Apple give AWAY. Okay, this is okay. Now here again Apple giveaway, and click on here, and now click on this logo option. Click on upload and go on the download section and select the image we have downloaded. You can give it here also the Apple giveaway. Okay, at this favicon icon we have to click at here, and now we have to use the image again. Okay, now we have downloaded, saved the image, and the image is available right here. Okay, now cut it. That's okay. Now we will delete it. You can see the website is looking like this. Now click on this text box. Now add here, win a brand new iPhone 30 and give a this comment. Now what we have to do, we have to give it on the center of position. Now we will click on here, align. Now click at this option. Okay, that's okay. Now bold it and click on color option and make it black. Okay, we have successfully done this. Now click on normal text and give it title, and on the font option we have to choose a font. It's depend on your emotion, so I chose this impact. Okay, that's okay, but the color is not matching. We have to give it to black. Okay, you can also use red color, it's also a eye-catching color. Okay, but on the Apple, if we visit the Apple, they don't have a red color of text anywhere, so we will use the black color because it looks true, and people attracted to this again and again. Now click on this images section. Now click on select, and now on the Google images you have to search iPhone 30. Click on enter. We can visit the, you can see the is this is for only iPhone Pro 30. Okay, so we can also download this type of image. So we have to select a good image, like this is a awesome image. Okay, now it is loading. We will make it big. Okay, that's enough for our landing page. Okay, now on this option we have to click on images option again. Now click on upload. Now we have to select the Apple logo again, and we have to make this little. Okay, but it's looking okay, that's enough. But if this doesn't work, click on crop and move it to here. Okay, this is enough, but I don't know why it is happening. It's not happening all the time. Okay, that's enough. Now it to here, and we have to add a button at here. For buttons you can select an button from here, right, corner round button. Okay, round corner button. Now click on the images section. Now you can see some round color buttons. Now this looks good for our page. Also this is a good image. We have to choose this type of. Okay, this is enough. Now visit it here. Now we have to download it at the PNG format. Okay, so they are saying that okay, we can download it free. Now the download has been started. Now we will go on the editing option for our. Here we have to visit on the image editing software Canva. Visit Canva, and I will close all the unneeded tabs. Our main website is Google site, Twitter, and Canva. So we will edit the image now. Click on design. Now we have to choose the import file. Okay, click on the import file option and select the file. Okay, file uploading. Okay, our file has been updated at here. Now we will edit this. Now click on use this design. Now they will load the website. Canva.com is sometimes slow. Okay, this enough. And now we will add a text at here. You can, we have to crop it at first. We have to crop it. So this option is not working. At first we have to give the text at first. Now click on subheading option, or you can also use heading, and delete this subheading and make it a big, little big. Now we have to design it, or get the chance, get it free. It looks awesome. Okay, now we will bold edit this design. Click on bold and then the color option, make it black. That's okay. That's okay. Apple is simple design. So why it is not cropping actually? Now click on share option. Now download this. Add the PNG version. Now the image has been downloaded. So we haven't cropped the image from Canvas, so we will crop this image. Crop online. I hope you are understanding everything. If you can't understand it, please give me a comment. I give every comment answer. So this is a simple site for cropping an image. Okay, we have dropped down the image at here. Okay, the image has been cropped. We have to crop it. Okay, that's okay. Uh, Now we will click at here. Now crop this. Okay, okay, that's okay. Now click on crop image. Now click this download button. Now our new cropped image has been downloaded. Now back to here again. Now click on images and click on upload. Now add this image at here. Okay, the Apple logo should be more big. So that's okay. Now I will publish it. Okay, now I have to publish it. But before publishing, click on this image section. Now click at insert link. Now back to the Kartli link, and we have to use this link, or we have to copy this and short this link. But actually there is also a problem about it, but we do not have any option. We can sign up at here and change the name at here, but we don't have time. The video is going long, so I will copy this and come back to at here and control V it, then apply it. Okay, we have done successfully. Make our website free and easy and looks good. If we use themes, there is also an option for theme. You can preview it from here. Our website is looking like this. Apple giveaway, and the website is looks good. So if you are able to use a custom domain, you can also use it. Now click on publish. Now this link will all automatically added, but we have to use iPhone 30 give away. Okay, now here is an option for custom domain. You can buy a custom domain, and I have also showed you how you can get a custom domain for free on my past video. You can also do this and get a free domain. And now click on publish. Okay, our website is ready. Now click on preview. The website actually looks good, and we have to copy the website links. Okay, click at this option, publish, return to editor. We have to copy the website URL. So come back at here and search for site.google.com, then gives a slash VIEW slash iPhone giveaway, iPhone 30 giveaway 44. This was the actually link. You can see this is the link, and copy the link, and you can short with Cutly, but you can also promote the direct link. You don't need to copy it, but it looks good. A shortened looks good for promoting a CPA offer. So the video was very long, but this will actually work. Now come back at here. Now those people, we have to give SMS to those people. So you can write a comment at here. Hi there, get a iPhone 30 free. I have a way for it. Check it at here. Okay, now give this option. Now paste the link at here. Okay, this is not the shortened link. We have to give the shortened link at here. Shorten link, short. Copy this and paste it at here option. Enter Ctrl V. Okay, that's enough. Now copy this image, full SMS, and give it to it. Okay, now at this option you can also paste the same and tweet it. So you have to do it again and again, and it will really work. Okay, that's enough. And you can also give a hard comment at here, but you can do this again and again. That's okay. The video was all about it. I hope you have enjoyed the video and you will like this video. If you like it, then subscribe to our channel and stay with us. We only promote CPA offer. Thank you.